Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to use the word schon in a sentence. This video is split into two parts. In the first part we are going to learn in which situations to use the word schon, and in the second part we are going to take a look at some examples. Schon in English means already, yet, really or indeed. It is used for English expressions like already and yet, when we want to contradict a statement, when we want to express our impatience, or when we also want to strengthen our statement. It can be also used for calming someone down, and if we want to express our expectation of a negative answer. Let's take a look at some examples. As already said before, schon is used for the English expressions already and yet. For example, bist du schon in der Bibliothek? Bist du schon in der Bibliothek? Means, are you already at the library? Next one. Schon is also used when we want to contradict a statement. For example, A says, kann nicht singen. B answers, doch, ich finde schon. Let's repeat. A says, kann nicht singen. B answers, doch, ich finde schon. Alright, next one. Schon is also used when we want to express our impatience. For example, komm schon, wir sind spät dran. Komm schon, wir sind spät dran. Means, come on, we are already late, hurry up. Next one. Schon is also used to strengthen a statement. For example, das ist schon schwierig. Das ist schon schwierig. Means, that's really difficult. Next one. Schon can be also used when we want to calm someone down. For example, das wird schon werden. Das wird schon werden. Means it's going to be okay, so you don't need to worry. And our last one. Schon is also used when we want to express our expectation of a negative answer. For example, was kann sie schon ändern? Was kann sie schon ändern? Means, what could or what can she change? But it's more in the sense of, I wish she could change something, but I know she can't, even if she wants to. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next time.